Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by cutting power and confirming it's dead, safety first. Once done, set your ladder securely and lay out tools so you don't climb up and down. You should know the bulb base and wattage before removal because using the wrong type risks damage or a fire hazard. Make sure to wear gloves and safety glasses. They protect from broken glass and dust. Slow and deliberate. Check for an external switch and the breaker, then position the ladder so you can reach comfortably. You now remove the fixture cover and expose the bulb. Use 2 hands and support the shade so it won't fall. Once the bulb is accessible, unscrew it counterclockwise. If it's stuck, apply gradual steady force rather than jerking. Inspect the socket and wiring for corrosion or loose connections because these indicate a deeper problem that you'll need to address. After cleaning debris, test fit the new bulb to ensure correct base and clearance. Remember why. You install the replacement bulb clockwise until it's snug. Don't over-tighten, as that can damage the socket. Once the cover is back in place and all fasteners are secure, restore power and test the light using the wall switch. Make sure to watch for flicker, buzzing, or any burning smell because those are signs of a bad connection or incompatible bulb. If something goes wrong, immediately cut power, then recheck the socket and wiring and try a known good bulb to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.